Well, it certainly has been a sultry and yet again another stormy day across the country. Things are going to improve for tomorrow, but it looks as though the highest temperatures through the day today and the stormiest weather was in the Midlands. And in fact, Birmingham, this was the scene this afternoon. As you can see, yet again, some localised flooding. Now, we have seen temperatures in recent days up into the mid to high 20s. It looks as though we'll start to see a slight change in the story really from Friday onwards, something a little fresher, but it does bring with it the risk of more persistent outbreaks of rain, but we lose the threat of the thunderstorms. Now, we're going to start off Thursday with a lot of mist and fog along the west coast, and then that should lift away to some sunny spells coming through. Sheltered eastern areas will start off rather grey and cloudy. That cloud filtering back to North Sea and into the afternoon, sunny spells and scattered showers. But the showers should be very isolated in comparison to the last couple of days. That bodes well if you're heading off to the third test at Lord's. Perfect weather conditions, really. You're going to need some sunscreen as temperatures perhaps into the low 20s by the middle of the afternoon. And this will be the story generally across England and Wales through the afternoon. Maybe just a little bit fresher if we get some of that low cloud and fog lingering along the west coast, but 21, 22 degrees not out of the question. Risk of a few isolated showers to higher ground, but they really should be few and far between. Beautiful day for much of Northern Ireland and for Scotland. Again, the risk of a few isolated showers. The far northeast perhaps staying a little cloudier and fresher. Now, as we move into Friday, we'll see the signs of this change, really, with more persistent showery outbreaks of rain pushing across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Sunny spells and scattered showers elsewhere. We're not expecting those to be too thundery either. And it looks as though the southeast corner could see the highest values of around 23 degrees. So we've got these weather fronts pushing in from the Atlantic. Showery outbreaks of rain to clear away overnight. And then on Saturday, we see a brief lull before the next system waits in the wings. So really, for the weekend, there will be some rain at times with some drier interludes. So we start off the potential with some rain out to the east, brighter behind to the west, but then more wet weather comes and that will arrive from the west on Sunday. Perhaps a drier start to the southeast corner, but that rain will push in a little later on. That's it from me. I'll be back with more details coming up